Good morning, guys. Today we are finally organizing our shed. It's 8 by 10 and we've had it for a couple of years. We actually had guys come in and pour a pad for the shed. All you'll see in here that's been done is a workbench that my husband built a few years ago, right away when we got it. We have everything in here from fertilizer to lawn equipment. I think we have some electrical extension cords. We have drip in here. I think there's a saw. We have a paint sprayer in here. So by the time we're done, we'll have adequate shelving. We'll have some pegboard put in, some lights. We'll document everything, and we've already repainted the outside. So we're almost there, but this is the last stretch, and we're gonna get that completed today. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Well, it's been a few days, and that's mostly because we started this project when it was 110. So this last week we had 109. I think one day it was 112. Anyway, all the chaos that you saw in the shed prior to today is all back in here, just organized. So we picked up items like lumber, pegboard, different kinds of hooks. We spent probably around $250. There are a lot of organizing options, like through the Container Store, or Amazon is a good resource. But what we were looking for our shed, you can pick up at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I finally have a shelf for all my fertilizers and my bug sprays. I have an area for my smaller drip for my pots. The larger drip is on this side. And outside of the workbench, nothing else was here. When we were unloading everything, we thought, oh, wow, we made a big mistake. We should have picked up a much larger shed, because we couldn't get around the floor, we couldn't access things, and it almost made me not want to go in here to get anything that I needed because it was just so disorganized. However, by the time we pulled it all out, went through the things that we were using, things that we didn't realize maybe needed to be thrown away, and finally found a place for it in the shed, we couldn't realize how much room we had in here. So now with it organized, it makes it much more enjoyable to come in and find what you need, and it makes it even easier when you're finished using the product to put it right where it belongs. I hope you guys were able to find this video encouraging. It is a little daunting when you start looking at a space, whether it's something small like a shed or that kitchen drawer. We all have that kitchen drawer we need to organize. When you look at it and you're thinking, oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all organized. But once you start getting into it, you realize it's not as hard as it seems. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.